Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodhi. Welcome to your favorite channel. Now today we will learn how to edit record. So this is my dbconfig file, and as we have seen our last video how to fetch record in database. Now we will edit these records. So firstly we have to create action here. So now we will go to our list.php file and create a action button here. Action, create a edit button here. So for that we will create an anchor tag here and give a URL where we have to redirect for edit. So edit.php press id is equal to we will put this id here echo, because we have to edit record on the basis of this primary key. So we will put here this id. Now we will just click this. Okay, we have to create a edit page here. So now we will just copy this list.php file rename it edit.php. We will just remove all these things here. And now we will get that id on this edit page. So for that we will just write $id equal to $_ get method and put this keyword here. Now we will echo this. So you can see this guys, we have got our id. So now we will get record according to this id. So $SQL equal to select asterisk from the registration where id is equal to $id, where id is equal to $id. So we are matching this $id from this id, and this id belongs to our registration table localhost php. This one. So we will fetch the record according to this column. When this id will match this id, like suppose our id is 1 and this id is 1, so we will got this record. So now $result equal to mysqli query cost $connection and $SQL. Record if count of $result to 1. Then we will got the record to mysqli fetch array function pass your result. Yeah. Now we will print this. So here you can see this, guys, we have got the record. If you want to see this array in a proper way, so we will write echo c, because this pre keyword of HTML will print exactly our array. So here you can see this, guys, we are getting records. So now we will go to our index page, this, and copy this form. So we will go to our index page, and copy all the things. You can see this guide in my first video where I have insert record in database. So you will get all these things. You have to just put using this bootstrap CSS, we can create our table look also good. Class is equal to table you can see this, guys. Now our table view is looking very good. Now we will go to edit.php file, and now we will put all the records in this column names. So follow the code. Mom. Now we will copy all the input box and replace the column values. What is this? Email, then dob, sorry, contact, and dob. So here you can see this, guys. We have filled all the input box. Now we will edit this. Suppose we will just replace from rk loading and rk gmail.com. So firstly we have to create a save edit record page. So for that we have to create a save edit page and we will just copy the save.php file and then name it edit. Okay, and we will redirect our edit page in save edit.php file, and we have to create a hidden field here. Input type field hidden, the name is equal to id, value is equal to why we are creating this here. Your question is why we are creating this here. So we are creating this here because we have to edit this record according to this id. So we want this id in our save edit file. Now we will post this edit form, replace the values, @gmail.com. Okay, now we will post a form and we will get all these values from this post data. In our save.php file we have already written all these column names. We have to only write id here. Okay, and we will just update the query, and here we have to write our update query. Update table name, date registration, and set. What you have to set? Your column values to set name equal to dot dollar name. And write here all column values. Where id is equal to id this id. Okay, if this query return true, so we will redirect this or list.php file. So header location and write this.php. Okay, firstly we have to remove this exist here. This now you can try. See. So here you can see this, guys, our record has been edited. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.